Hey, this is M. Rossi coming at you with my song Earthquake. Check out more of my music on my website, mrossi.com, and follow me on my socials. Ready to sing along with me?
Yeah.
Let's do this. It's hiding just underneath the surface. It's in between the wishes and what you fear. It creeps and then it disappears.
Unguarded, what was concealed, discarded, it's yours to steal. Don't want my feet to touch the ground, just turn my whole world upside down.
This is a sound that your heart makes, like crashing into stone. Takes you down like an earthquake, and everything you've known is shaken and shattered, bruised and battered. You're broken, wide open.
Frame pictures of a life before, now fractured, lie on the floor.
New memories, they break the fall, and now there's room left on the wall.
No symptoms, no warning signs, no shelter, no place to hide.
A force as strong as any storm, no point in running anymore. This is a sound that your heart makes, like crashing into stone. Takes you down like an earthquake, and everything you've known is shaken and shattered, bruised and battered. You're broken, wide open. Castles that are made of sand wash away, and you can build them back again, and you will find they're stronger than before.
Everything I've waited for is standing right in front of me, and this is what I'm living for. It's everything I need. This is a sound that your heart makes, like crashing into stone. Takes you down like an earthquake. This is a sound that your heart makes, like crashing into stone. Takes you down like an earthquake, and everything you've known is shaken and shattered, bruised and battered. You're broken, wide open.